guys, this is Shreya Badonia, and in this video we'll talk about vision. So before we get into it, let's take an example. There are two people. Both of them want to go for grocery shopping. One person has a list with him and another person doesn't. Now both of them, they go to the grocery store. One person just walking down the aisle, looking here and there with no idea what they need to buy. They're just glancing at the shelves and they are spending 5 minutes at each item and seeing whether they need it or not. So they're roaming around hopelessly and they keep picking up things that comes to their mind. On the other hand, this person who has a list with her, she is right at it. She goes to the aisle where she needs her dishwasher from, her face wash from. So she's very clear about what she needs. So she picks up everything and within 5 minutes she's at the counter. And this another person, he's still hopelessly wandering in the supermarket. Now both of them, they have the same supermarket. They know that they need something, but one person finished up all whatever she needed in 5 minutes and this person is still roaming in the supermarket. Now if you have read any self-help and personal development book, you must have come across this topic of having a vision for yourself, or if you are from the startup world, you must have heard about having a vision for your company. Now what does having a vision mean? A vision is a future picture of what you want to be. You don't need vision only for a business. Your whole life needs to have a vision. So if you have vision for yourself, you can just go to the supermarket and pick up whatever you need. If you don't have a vision, what you're gonna do? You're gonna end up like this person who had no list. Now, I am someone who didn't have a vision 2 years back. I was hopelessly wandering across. I had no idea. I tried different things, and that's why I left engineering after 9 months, because I didn't have a vision for myself. And I studied for IIT for 2 years, and if you count, I actually wasted at least 2-3 years of my life on doing something that I didn't want to do, because I didn't have a vision. So by this video, I'm just trying my best to make you not repeat the mistakes that I have made in my life. An intelligent person is someone who learns from his mistake, but a wise person is someone who learns from another person's mistake. So please be wise and don't repeat what I did in my life. When I didn't have a vision, I took so many random U-turns and I just keep wandering at the supermarket. But once I had an idea what I wanted to do, my life took a turn and it just started going like whoa. So that's why you need to have a vision. How can we have a vision for ourselves? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Where do you see yourself after 10 years? So these are the questions that I cannot answer for you, otherwise I would have. But these are the questions you need to answer for yourself. Vision also gives you a direction. So imagine if you are not sure whether you want to start a business or you want to do a 9 to 5. But if you have a vision, you can actually pinpoint which is taking you closer to your vision. If you think that your life is worth something, then you will definitely have a vision for yourself. If you have a vision, then you don't have to listen to your uncle and your auntie or a stranger on the internet, because you have a clear picture. Okay, this is where I want to go and I don't give a damn about what people are saying and talking about me. When you get up, your vision is something that makes you want to wake up every morning. I don't know what else you want to wake up, especially during these difficult times of COVID. So I have a vision and every day I wake up and I think, okay, how far have I come? What I need to do today so that I can get closer to the vision that I have for myself. So it's about knowing that you deserve this, and it's about knowing that okay, this is where you need to go. So if you know that you are going to Goa tomorrow, then you will obviously prep up, you would start eating healthy so that you have a beach body. That's how life works. The amount of time we spend on social media and planning a wedding or a vacation, if we spend 10% of that time on having a vision and working on ourselves, we would be unbeatable. So, a person who loves himself would have a vision that personifies his best self, and he would imagine a future that resonates with his idea or with his best version. That's what a person who loves himself will do. On the other hand, a person who doesn't love himself would not even spend time to think about the vision. So if you don't have a vision, maybe you don't love yourself enough. If you don't have a vision, maybe you feel that you're not important enough, or maybe your life is not important enough to have a vision. So maybe you don't understand that having a vision is actually very important for your personal and professional goals. Les Brown said, if you have no vision of yourself in the future, then you have nothing to live for. I would repeat that again because it's so powerful. If you have no vision of yourself in the future, then you have nothing to live for. I hope this video helped you, and I want to listen to you, and I want to know what is your vision for yourself. And if you don't have a vision, pick up a pen and paper and write it down today. If you don't know how to do it, just write a prompt. Where do I want to be in the next 5 years? Where do I see myself in the next 5 years? What am I doing in the next 5 years? And comment below. Tell everyone your vision.